Jenny, who is it?
Frosty.
Who is it?
Frosty.
Whose book is that?
Frosty.
Okay, walk me through it. Who's on the cover?
Frosty.
Who?
Frosty.
Who do you love?
Frosty.
Frosty. You love Frosty?
Yes.
Yes.
Frosty. Frosty.
Can you change the pages? Turn the pages.
Frosty.
Turn the pages in the Frosty book.
Where?
Hi, bud.
Right here. Turn
Hi,
the pages.
baby.
Where?
Here,
Hi,
turn the pages.
Oh, look at me real quick.
Hi,
I'm Corn Nose.
Here. Look,
Bye,
Drakey's going to turn the pages. Turn the pages.
Drakey, what's the name of the book?
What? Frosty.
What's the name of the book, Drakey?